You gonna get him, Molly? Molly spent, 4 or 5 hours hunting the birds at this window yesterday. She charges the glass. There she went. Are those birdies out there, huh? Yeah. They're out there, aren't they? There they are out there. And they come up on the ledge outside the window and it drives you crazy, doesn't it? Huh? Drives you crazy, doesn't it, Miss Molly? Yeah. At least I got a little bit of a charge that time. Oh, now you're getting them? And you're getting them? Oh boy. Here comes somebody to help you. Are you getting birdies too, kid? Where's Philly at? She was out here yesterday. Maybe she'll come. But Molly is the greatest huntress.